I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use Cricut's Heat Guide. Now this is helpful for all of your HTV projects, whether you're using the auto press, the heat press, or the easy press. And you can use it for your projects that are not Cricut related. So on Cricut's website, Cricut.com, you scroll all the way to the bottom. Right here it says Heat Guide, click on that. And a quick reminder, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Now, you're going to choose the machine you're using. And if you're not using a Cricut product, choose which one is closest to the product that you're using. So I'm choosing the AutoPress. Right here, you're going to choose what material you're using. It has the smart material and fusible ink. Right here, if you're not using Cricut products, you'll be choosing something from right here. So let's say we're using some everyday iron-on, which is your regular iron-on, or glitter iron-on. Let's say glitter iron-on. Now your base material, you're going to choose whatever you're pressing it on, whether it's faux leather, polyester, cotton, a cotton and polyester blend. We'll choose, let's see, 100% cotton. Now, you don't necessarily have to have the Cricut pressing mat, but it wants to know that it has a mat under your project that you're using. Then you're going to click apply. And right here, it tells you preheat for 5 seconds, how many degrees, how long you're going to press, and then it tells you if it's a warm or hot, cool peel right here. And then also it gives you extra information about your supplies, how to prep, the application, and how to care for your product. And that's it. Simple. So no more guessing how many degrees you need, how long you need to press. Just come to the Cricut Heat Guide and it'll help you out. It's usually helpful for me. So that's it, guys. Really simple, really easy. Again, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if it was helpful.